daughter. Can't hide it up.
Mr. Gold. Hey, all right, you're done.
Your turn. Yeah. All right. Nice man.
So you can smell it in the air.
Okay.
Children to yes, talk about your vision, to talk about
That's awesome. Great. Oh yes.
Oh, yes, can't do without him.
All right.
Oh yes, another warm stuff.
Greetings. Good.
To make it through here.
Yes. Well, we appreciate it very much. Yes, wonderful.
Let me tell you,
Yes.
they try to get it more through here than Western Union.
Yes.
So
JN.
that's Claude, the manager.
Yeah.
JN.
All right.
Hi,
How are you, sir?
Hi, Claude Thompson.
Nice to meet you, Clark.
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome to Andre.
Yeah.
I think we met some years ago. You're a Rotarian.
He is.
Yes. Yeah, I was president in Palma.
Okay.
Yeah, so how is it going?
It's going well, man. Yeah, it's very interesting.
I saw this taking care of you.
You know that we're here, and we had a really good town hall on Wednesday. Yeah, yeah, man. It ram. Yeah, man. Okay, bye. Time come. I got me. Oh, you go ahead. I got the people myself. I know me. I say so. Them I say so. All right.
Yeah, Patty, come down. Oh yeah, yeah, man. Hey,
Yeah. Today chilly. Yesterday and the day before it warm and balmy, but today the real Canada we know. Just the beginning, yeah.
Called the
Careful,
Black
people.
Urban Community Trust.
Yeah.
Buy up as many of these as possible.
Right.
Because again, we're going to continue to
See that?
clear out all these small businesses.
Yeah, and put up flats and stuff. Yeah.
And then, so they're not even rental flats; they're condos.
Mm.
So the people in the community that can't buy, where are they going to live, right? So they're really trying to push for more
Careful there.
Black businesses to.
Oh, different kind of stuff. Oh, they did the sound for you.
You're in your element.
Loud and clear.
Yeah. Wow.
Mr. Golden.
Mr. Wesley.
Boy,
Yeah.
you hear about this man so much.
Yeah. Good to be here, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And you do a different thing.
You notice?
Yeah, different, yeah, man. Different thing. So how is it going?
Pretty good.
It's good?
Yes.
So what, you rent
We
equipment?
rent and we sell.
And we sell.
See this lady here?
Yes.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Superstar.
Yes, man.
And this. So this little man here.
Yeah.
Going like him as 12-year-old.
So you sell what? You sell music?
We sell
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
You see
all
the
the big
I'll drum kit and them something there. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
all big reggae shows.
Eddie Hart provide reggae. See that from start to finish.
Yeah, on
Eh?
CD.
Yeah, man.
You do vinyl? That's very interesting. You know, pleasure to meet so many Jamaicans from all walks of life, all parts of Jamaica. People have been here for many, many years. Some have come more recently. And the reception has been very, very good, positive. So we're happy, you know.
So when you were invited to come, you just like, hey, that's a great opportunity.
Well,
Just
to be
jump on
honest, we had wanted to come from long time because part of our strategy since I became leader of the party has been to increase diaspora engagement. And we have a lot of supporters outside of Jamaica. So we wanted to reconnect with them and establish structures to make that support productive for the party. So we amended our party constitution to recognize the diaspora as a region and to allow membership of persons who live outside of Jamaica, who are Jamaican citizens and want to join the party. And so we